Not at all. I've won so many hearts. I'm a positive person. I look at, all the positive aspects of life. I always say कि जिंदगी में जो कुछ भी होता है अच्छे के लिए ही होता है. So I guess, whatever happens for the best. And I've got so much love from people. They made me reach the top two. And I was one of the, contending champions for the trophy. So I think that's enough of an achievement. I know it's very disheartening for my fans. I wish, I could heal this up for them, because I know they're very emotionally connected to me and they would be feeling more than bad. But I just love them all, and I'm very grateful to have such fans and viewers supporting me and, making this journey happen, and all the more beautiful than I imagined.
How do you define your entire journey inside the...
It's a lifetime experience. It's a lifetime experience. First of all, it was actually a fear that I've overcome. The fear was being a part of a captive reality away from my family. I always said that, for so many years, I refused the show because, I didn't want to be a part of a captive reality and be inside the house of Bigg Boss. But yeah, I'm glad that I listened to my wife and, I became a part of the show. And it was quite a challenge for me, and I'm very grateful that, I reached the finale, and here I am standing, being grateful for winning so many hearts.
But did you ever feel heartbreak or somewhere like stuck inside the house? Like you just thought that's too much for you to take?
No. I think, I've always remembered, my wife's words. And of course, it's a thought that always stays behind my, in my subconscious. It's always alive. That, after difficulty is ease. And every difficulty comes with ease. So the ease is there. You just have to go through that, little, I would not even call it difficult, a time of testing. So yeah, I'm grateful that I've gotten through that time of testing, and I've overcome my fear.
In the house you have made a lot of friends, and also people you did not gel with. So are you planning to go over there?
See, first of all, like you guys have known me for years now, I think more than a decade, and more than a decade for real. And, I've not been this very social person. I'm more of a, home bird, family guy. And I've always been like this. I've always, stayed away from also social media. And of course, socializing is not a part of my nature. So let's see what future holds for us. Let's not judge anything right now.
So what's your plan for next, or what have you planned on you to take a little break to come out of?
I have never planned anything in my life, not a single part, not anything in my career I have planned. So I just go with the flow, and whatever's in my destiny, I'm a believer of destiny. Whatever is in my destiny will come to me, inshallah.
गर्मियों की छुट्टी होने वाली थी, मेरे पापा आने वाले थे, तो हम लोग सभी खुश थे. तो मैं बेड पे चढ़ के
डांस कर
रहा था, लेकिन वो पहले ही आ गए.
फ्रीज.
तो मैं उस समय तो कंटिन्यू नहीं कर सकता था, तो फ्रीज फ्रेम टाइप का हो गया.
कसम पैदा कर